Coyotes, so today we're going to continue working on fractions, okay? So I have something different to show you today. Okay, so here I want to show you something today. It has to do with fractions. So I have this group of paper clips and I only want to count out 12. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and I'm going to put the rest away. So here I have my group of 12 paper clips. Well, remember that 1 can be anything I say it is. So I can designate this whole set as 1 or a unit. So this is my set of a unit. And remember, any unit or 1 can be divided into equal parts, and that can be represented as a fraction. So if I pull away 1 paper clip, I have 1/12. So remember, when we write 1/12, we have 1 as the numerator and we have 12 as the denominator. So 12 is the denominator, which means how many are in the whole set of 1. Then the numerator tells us how many of the set are we having from the group. So in this case, I have 1/12. Well, what if I want to pull out 3 more? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, now I have 4/12. Well, what if I want to break the set into 3 groups? So now I'm going to take this set of 12 and I'm going to distribute it into 3 groups. So I have 1, 2, I have to make sure I have an even number in each set. There we go, now I have 3 sets. What would I call these? I could call this thirds, because remember I said 12 is my whole set and it is a unit, so my fractions are in twelfths. But now I've created 3 groups and I can call them thirds. Well, I wonder if I add 8 more paper clips. So remember, I have 12 here and I want to add 8 more. So let me count 8 more from my box, from my other group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now I have 12 plus 8, which is 20. So now, what is my denominator, which is the bottom number, remember? Is it going to be 12? No, it's going to be 20. My denominator is now going to be 20 because now I have 20ths. So now my set has 20 paper clips. So let's see if I can make equal groups out of these 20 paper clips. Oh, I have 5 equal groups. Well, what if I just want to know how to write the label for this set? Well, let's see what my denominator would be. How many equal pieces do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now my denominator is going to be 5. So my answer is this is going to be called 1/5. So let me write 1/5. So 1/5 would be my answer. So some other objects I had were binder clips, okay? So how many binder clips do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 binder clips. So I could say my fraction is going to be fifths, 5/5. If I took 1 out of the group, this would be 1/5. If I took 2, I would have 2/5. If I took 3, this is 3/5. If I took 4, 4/5. So here's 4/5 out of my group of 5/5. So for follow-up work, I'd like to encourage you to find objects around your house. You might need to, for this lesson to work, you will need to find objects that are like the same thing, like multiple of the same thing, so that you don't get confused. And see if you can make different fractions out of different household objects. Okay, so that's all I have for now, Coyotes. Bye!